Rosalind, Alberta quietly carries a question in its name, one that even longtime residents sometimes pause to consider. Where did it come from, and why does it feel like it fits so well? Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Tucked just north of the Battle River Valley, Rosalind doesn't announce itself loudly. It sits along Highway 854 about 30 minutes southeast of Camrose, surrounded by prairie fields and the kind of open sky that makes time feel slower. The village was incorporated in 1966, but its roots stretch back much further, to the early 1900s, when settlers arrived drawn by the fertile land and promise of the railway. The Canadian Pacific Railway helped shape the town's early rhythm, bringing goods, people, and a sense of connection to the wider world. The name Rosalind first appeared in 1905, likely formed by blending the names of two nearby school districts, Montrose and East Lynn. It's the kind of detail that might slip past a visitor, but locals know it's more than just a name. It's a quiet nod to the way communities were stitched together out here, one schoolhouse and one shared effort at a time. That spirit still lingers. The old community hall, still in use, hosts everything from weddings to the annual fireman's breakfast and truck pull. The Rosalind Agricultural Society and the local Elks chapter keep the calendar full with events like the Harvest Hootenanny and Egg Day. These aren't just traditions, they're the scaffolding that holds the village together. So why does the name Rosalind feel so fitting? It's not just the sound of it, it's what it represents. A name born from two places coming together, much like the village itself. A place built not on spectacle, but on steady hands, shared meals, and the kind of volunteerism that doesn't ask for recognition. Today, Rosalind is home to just over 160 people. It's small, yes, but not quiet in the ways that matter. The drop-in center still sees regular use. The baseball diamonds still echo with summer games. Rosalind doesn't try to be more than it is, and maybe that's the point. It's a place where the past isn't preserved in amber. It's lived in, maintained, and passed along. One event, one handshake, and one name at a time. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.